outer-rim territories. Join the festive Boja holiday celebration in the streets of Mos Espa. Then head to the arena and cheer for your favorite pilot in the annual Boja Eve Classic.
Not permitted. Get checked baggage. Thank you.
Clear.
Well, what have we here? Computer, identify please.
Computer.
I know you are, but what is that?
Computer.
Ah, I don't have time for this. Destroy!
Destroy. Computer destruction complete.
What?
Clear.
Oh, it was a computer. Well, why didn't you say so in the first place?
I did.
Oh, I hope it wasn't yours. My bad.
Clear.
Wait a second, what is this? Do you know? I certainly don't. But I can tell you one thing. That is not a toy. But I'll clear it anyway. It's cute.
Clear.
To
Buzz Lightyear.
and beyond.
Buzz Lightyear.
Yours if you don't get back to work.
Attention, if you're going to Alderaan today, your flights to Alderaan have been canceled. Please see again for rebooking and sure everything.
That's why I'm insisting I understand you in the astronaut. Don't you tell me to honor you at a group job at least. I know exactly what time you depart. Just do your job, and I'll do mine. Excuse me, would you see systems analyst?
It's about time. Binary motivator's happening now.
Well, binary is like a second language to me, but I can't fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with you. Go on, shoot. Two androids. Really? Oh, what? Oh, now this is malfunctioning too. This will take longer than I thought.
We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened. And please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Sorry.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Shields up, R2. Where are we going? This is madness! R2, don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there. Right now! Otto, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, Otto! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission? Now what?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Ahsoka Tano, greetings.
3PO. R2. You're traveling with a friend of mine that has vital information for the rebellion.
The spy. I knew it.
Head to the rendezvous point I am sending you. Good luck, Star Tours. And may the Force be with you.
Just a moment, R2. Let us consider this. R2, I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Virgil. Virgil are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. It's 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
Oh, will it ever end?
Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
ST-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out! Thank the Maker.
That's my ship.
On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us.
You've got a lot of explaining to do.
No more adventures, Arthur.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Be sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.